Hi everyone, welcome again in naming words, places to learn some more places. You will learn using pictures and dialogues. Quiz to check what you have learned up till now. So please watch the video till the end and let's start. First place is post office. Post office is a place to send or receive letters or parcels. You buy postage stamps to post your letters or parcels. First, let us learn what is post or mail. In Hindi, it is called dak. Girl image here shows that dak is feminine. Postage stamp is dak ticket. And post office in Hindi is dak ghar. Both are masculine. Observe, dak is feminine but dak ticket and dak ghar are masculine. Interesting thing is, all the words have originated from dak. A sentence for post office could be, this is a post office. In Hindi, it will be, यह एक डाक घर है. Speak with me. यह एक डाकघर है. Next place is shop. Shop is the place where you go and buy things. In Hindi, shop is dukaan. Dukaan. Observe, your tongue should touch your teeth from behind. Speak with me. Dukaan. Shopkeeper who owns or manages the shop is called shopkeeper. In Hindi, he is called dukandar. Notice, dukandar word is coming from dukan. Dukan is feminine, whereas dukandar is masculine. Some sentences in Hindi for dukan and dukandar. It could be, that is a shop. वह एक दुकान है. He is a shopkeeper. वह एक दुकानदार है. Next place is police station. Police station is the place where you go to report any theft or crime. In Hindi, it is called thana. Sometimes it is also called as police station. Again, observe, when you say thana, you should say ta with ha sound to make it tha. Also, while saying tha, your tongue should touch your teeth from behind. Speak with me. Thana. Thana. Gender of the word thana is masculine. A small and local police station is called police chowki. Police chowki in Hindi. It is feminine. Let us get ready for the quiz to participate and learn more. Quiz is based on some lessons which we have learned so far. To do good in the quiz, let us revise some words here. If you wish, you can also watch those videos first. Link is shown on the top right corner of your screen. Let us revise here quickly. I am is मैं हूँ. You. Informal, तुम. Formal, आप. Go. जाओ. Informal. जाइए. Formal. Some more words. My. My is मेरा or मेरी, depending on the gender of the word which follows it. Similarly, good is अच्छा or अच्छी, depending on the gender of the word which follows it. Yes is हाँ. No, नहीं. Quiz time now. In the quiz, I will give you a scenario, show you some pictures and conversation through speech bubbles. For each speech bubble, there'll be a timer on the right corner of your screen. You have to speak what is being said in Hindi before the time gets over. Let's do the scenario 1. Ruby is inquiring from Monica about the police station. Monica tells Ruby about 2 police stations in that area. That is a police station. You have to tell me what Monica is saying in Hindi. Time starts now. वह एक थाना है. She also tells Ruby about a nearest police station which is small and local. This is a local police station. You have to tell me what Monica is saying in Hindi. Time starts now. यह एक पुलिस चौकी है. Ruby is thanking Monica for the information. You have to tell me what Ruby is saying in Hindi. धन्यवाद. I hope you have got all sentences correct. Let's go to the scenario number 2. In scenario 2, a policeman is inquiring about the shop. Let us see what person has to say. He says, "This is my shop." You have to tell me what he is telling in Hindi. Time starts now. यह मेरी दुकान है. Did you get it right? He also says, I am a shopkeeper. Tell me what he is saying in Hindi. Time starts now. मैं दुकानदार हूँ. मैं दुकानदार हूँ. I hope you got all correct. Let me go to the scenario 3. In scenario 3, Rohan and Reena want to buy toys. They are looking for a toy shop. Reena says to Rohan, "That is a good shop." Let me know what she says in Hindi to Rohan. Time starts now. वह एक अच्छी दुकान है. वह एक अच्छी दुकान है. In scenario 4, Rohan wrote a letter and wanted his father to post his letter. He says, "You go to the post office." What is he saying in Hindi? Time starts now. आप डाकघर जाइए. आप डाकघर जाइए. Father refuses and asks him to go. Father says, "No, Rohan, you go." What is he saying in Hindi? Time starts now. नहीं रोहन, तुम जाओ. I hope you got all sentences correct and also you have enjoyed the quiz. I would request you to paste pictures of post office, postage stamp, police station, police chowki, shop and shopkeeper in your picture book. Write the words in Hindi. Don't forget to speak sentences in Hindi which you have learned. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi with me. Dhanyawad. Namaste.